everyone, and welcome back to Fluent English Forum. In today's session, we're going to explore how to keep your brain young. A young brain isn't about age. It's about energy, curiosity, and clarity. You can be 60 years old with the brain of a 20-year-old, or 20 with a tired, distracted, and unfocused mind. Your brain is your greatest treasure. It's the engine that drives your thoughts, memories, creativity, and emotions. But like every muscle, it needs care and training to stay strong. In this 60-minute journey, we'll explore the science of brain health, the habits that keep your mind sharp and youthful, how to protect your brain from stress and decline, and how to grow mentally stronger every single day. Because if you take care of your brain will take care of you for life. Let's begin. Part 1. Your brain is like a muscle. Think of your brain as the most powerful muscle you have. When you use it, it grows. When you neglect it, it weakens. Just like your body, your brain needs exercise, rest, and nourishment. Every time you learn something new, a word, a song, a language, a skill, you're building new neural connections. These connections are like bridges between your brain cells. And the more bridges you build, the stronger your brain becomes. So if you want to keep your brain young, you must keep it active. Read, write, solve puzzles, learn languages. Do anything that challenges you to think. Because your brain grows by doing difficult things, not easy ones. Part 2. Feed your brain right. What you eat affects how your brain works. Your brain needs high-quality fuel, not just for energy, but for memory, focus, and mood. Here are some foods that keep your brain young and sharp. Fatty fish like salmon or sardines, rich in omega-3 fatty acids that protect brain cells. Blueberries, full of antioxidants that fight aging and improve memory. Nuts and seeds, they boost brain energy and reduce inflammation. Leafy greens like spinach and kale, packed with vitamins for mental clarity. Dark chocolate. Yes, in moderation, it increases blood flow to the brain. And don't forget water. Dehydration can cause fatigue and poor concentration. A young brain is a hydrated, nourished brain. Part 3. Rest and reboot. Your brain doesn't stay young by staying busy all the time. It also needs rest. When you sleep, your brain cleans itself. It removes toxins and repairs connections between neurons. If you don't sleep enough, your brain becomes foggy. Your memory weakens and your mood drops. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Turn off screens an hour before bed and give your brain permission to slow down. Sometimes the best thing you can do for your brain is simply to rest. Part 4. Move your body, move your mind. Did you know physical exercise keeps your brain young too? When you move your body, your brain gets more oxygen and blood flow. Exercise releases chemicals like BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which helps your brain grow new connections. You don't need extreme workouts. A 30-minute walk, stretching, yoga, or dancing, all of it counts. Movement isn't just for your muscles. It's a message to your brain that you're alive, active, and engaged with life. A moving body creates a youthful mind. Part 5. Reduce stress, protect your brain. Chronic stress is one of the biggest enemies of a young brain. When you're stressed for too long, your brain releases too much cortisol, a hormone that damages memory and focus over time. To protect your brain, practice relaxation and mindfulness. Meditate. Breathe deeply. Spend time in nature. Write down your thoughts. When you calm your mind, you allow your brain to recover and grow stronger. Remember, a peaceful mind is a healthy brain. Part 6. Learn something new every day. The best way to keep your brain young: never stop learning. Your brain loves novelty. It thrives on challenge. When you learn something new, you light up new areas of your brain. It's like turning on lights in a dark room. Try learning a new language, instrument, recipe, or skill. Even small things like using your non-dominant hand or taking a new route to work can stimulate your brain. Curiosity keeps your brain alive. The day you stop learning, your brain starts aging. Part 7. Stay social, stay sharp. Human connection keeps the brain young. Talking, laughing, and sharing ideas with others helps strengthen the areas of the brain responsible for memory and emotion. Loneliness, on the other hand, increases the risk of memory decline. So make time to connect. Have deep conversations. Join groups. Teach what you know. When you share your mind with others, you keep it active and alive. Social interaction is not just fun, it's brain exercise. Part 8. Memory training. Your memory is like a muscle. Use it or lose it. Challenge yourself to remember names, dates, and details. Play memory games. Visualize what you want to remember. You can also try mnemonics, which are tricks that help you link information creatively. For example, to remember the word apple, you might imagine a big red apple floating in front of your eyes. Your brain loves pictures and patterns. The more vivid your imagination, the stronger your memory becomes. Practice this daily, and you'll keep your memory sharp and youthful. Part 9. The power of positive thinking. Your mindset affects your brain's health. Negative thoughts create stress and drain your energy. Positive thinking, on the other hand, stimulates the release of good feel chemicals like dopamine and serotonin. When you think positively, your brain grows new pathways of hope and motivation. So instead of saying, I can't, say, I'll try. Instead of, I'm too old, say, I'm getting better every day. A young brain believes in possibilities. It's curious, not afraid. It sees every challenge as a new adventure. Train your brain to think positively, and it will stay young, creative, and strong. Part 10. Build a brain-healthy lifestyle. Let's put it all together. A young brain isn't a mystery. It's the result of small, consistent habits. 1. Eat for your brain. 2. Sleep deeply. 3. Move your body. 4. Manage your stress. 5. Keep learning. 6. Connect with people. 7. Stay positive. If you live this way, your brain will reward you with focus, memory, creativity, and peace. Remember, it's not about avoiding aging, it's about aging wisely and keeping your mind young for life. Conclusion: a young mind forever. Your brain is your lifelong partner. Treat it with care and it will serve you faithfully for decades. Feed it well. Challenge it. Let it rest. Keep it calm. And never stop using it to explore the world. A young brain doesn't come from youth. It comes from curiosity, gratitude, and growth. Every day, tell yourself, I am training my brain to stay young. I am feeding it with good thoughts, good food, and good experiences. And remember, the more you use your brain, the younger it stays. So, keep learning, keep moving, keep thinking, because a young brain means a young life. Thank you for listening. If this message inspired you, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos on personal growth, learning, and motivation. And until next time, keep your brain young and your spirit even younger.